the money, dollar bill, y'all, cash, everything around me, free.
Hey guys, I'm Cece. So today we're showing you how to make my intro, as you can tell in the beginning of all my videos. But it's only one app, and it's called Vimo. I will leave it linked in the description box below so you can download it. So what you want to do is you want to hit create video. I kind of messed up at this part, so don't follow anything I'm doing right now. I kind of just showed you what it looked like. And if you want to add music at the end, then you can do that. But like you have to do it in iMovie, and you have to have your own music. Sorry if I sound sick, because I am sick, so, yeah. So now you want to hit Create Video and select your background. You have to get this off of Google or Safari. Make sure you hit 16:9 for like a YouTube video. And then you want to make it 10 seconds long. And then hit Done. And then what you want to do is you want to hit Add Label. And then click your desired label. So oh my gosh. So I chose this one. This one's the one in my intro on this video. Make it your desired size and put it where you would like it. I put my channel name, obviously. Then you can make it to where it fades. Yeah. So now you look at that, you know it's plain. So you want to hit sticker, or you can change the size. Now you want to hit sticker after you like what you see. And I had some trouble finding the stickers that I had, so I kind of mixed it up and I changed it. So this part's kind of me looking for stickers, but I will speed this up. So I decided to do the subscribe button because my other one, I couldn't find it. And you kind of put it where you want it to end. Like when it's before it's faded, you want it to be out. So you kind of crop that and then you can watch it if you like what you see. So I decided to look for more stickers. So yeah, I'll just speed this part up. So I have found it, so I am putting it on my iPhone Editing X. Wait, no, this is the one that I didn't find. So my other one is right in front of my face in the sticker box, but I decided to put on this one, and it didn't look as good as I thought it would. I tried playing with it a little bit, but it didn't work. So I X'd it out. Didn't really like how it looked. And then after that, I found my blue spark thing. And yeah, I kind of put it to my desired size and my desired place that I wanted it to be. And I liked it, so I kind of put it wherever I decided. And at first I played with it a little bit, and I kind of messed up, so yeah. So right now I'm just adjusting my mistakes, because obviously we all make mistakes. I was just trying to find where I want it in and where I want it out. So now that I've liked that, I'm just going to find one more sticker. Sorry for the Snapchat notification. So yeah, right now I'm finding a sticker. I like to use the YouTube sticker that I totally just missed. It's right from my face, and I didn't get it, but that's what I like to use. And I put it on the corner, or yeah, and I kind of adjust it, turn it, make it my own. And now I adjust where I want it to go out and where I want it to go in. So, and here is the final product. And if you want to add music, you'll have to go on to iMovie and download YouTube videos. So if you want to turn on that, just keep me updated.